Welcome. Today, we will be installing the Pipe Dream Off-Road aluminum center console for your Humvee. Please make sure that you have already installed the tunnel trim kit and dashboard before proceeding. Step 1. Remove the lock from its package and discard the L bracket. Attach the hinges to the lid with 10 32 screws and nuts. Now, attach the lid to the console with the included spacers. Step 2. We will be installing the console mounting brackets. There is a small cluster of holes on the tunnel trim to give you maximum adjustability of the bracket location. Start by placing the console on the tunnel and pushing it all the way forward. Make sure it's in its final resting position. Now place the first bracket inside the console and temporarily thread a 1032 screw into the bracket. Repeat for the other bracket. Now, mark the 2 holes that line up with the slots on the bracket. Mark a line on the back side of the bracket and repeat. Remove the console and match drill through the first layer of aluminum with a 1/8 inch drill bit. Mount the bracket with 3/4 inch finishing screws using the marks you made as a guide.
That's it, hitting.
Step 3. We will be installing the 2-inch duct hose for the rear passenger vents. The vintage air kit does not come with enough hose to supply these vents, so be sure and purchase extra. Now, place the console back on the tunnel and route the hoses as shown. Cut off your excess hose with at least a few inches to spare. Secure the console to the mounting brackets with 1032 screws. Now, match drill with a 1/8 inch drill bit and install a 3/4 inch finishing screw. You can optionally install a 1032 rivet nut instead of the included finishing screw. Attach the louvers to the duct hose with zip ties. Step 4. Install one of the USB ports as shown. Attach the plate to the console with 1032 screws. Step 5. Repeat the same process as the previous step. Step 6. Install the vintage air controller. Attach the plate to the console. Step 7. Forgive me, but I think you get the idea. Step 8. Remove the trim ring on the cup holder. Screw the cup holder into place with 3 self-tapping screws. Push the trim ring back into place and repeat for the other 3 cup holders. Step 9. Install the 3 trays by pushing them down and snapping them into place. The rubber mats can be removed without removing the tray if they need to be cleaned in the future. Step 10. Install the latch striker bracket with 1032 screws. The bracket can be adjusted up or down as needed. Now, place the foam insert and rubber mat into the storage compartment. Step 11. Attach the mounting brackets to the head unit with the screws that come with your head unit. If there are no holes that line up with your specific unit, a custom bracket may be required. Now, attach the faceplate with 1032 screws and nuts. You can now install the assembly on the center console with 1032 screws. The center console install is now complete.